Imagine stepping into a world where investing isn't just about chasing quick gains, but about mastering the art of spotting undervalued opportunities that can grow into substantial wealth over time. This world is inhabited by Warren Buffett, affectionately known as the Oracle of Omaha, whose strategies have not only consistently beaten the market, but have also inspired countless investors worldwide. The Warren Buffett Way by Robert G. Hagstrom is your guide into this world, a place where rationality, discipline, and a deep understanding of businesses reign supreme. The power of value investing. At the heart of Buffett's approach lies value investing, a philosophy that transcends mere stock picking. Buffett isn't looking for flashy stocks. He's hunting for businesses that are priced below their true worth, akin to finding dollar bills selling for pennies. This principle isn't just about hunting for deals. It's about building a safety net, a cushion against market swings and economic uncertainties. Investing in great businesses. Buffett's success isn't about luck or guesswork. It's about investing in exceptional businesses with enduring competitive advantages. These advantages, often referred to as economic moats, shield companies from competitors and enable them to sustain profitability over the long haul. Whether it's the enduring appeal of Coca-Cola's brand or the loyal customer base of Candies, Buffett seeks businesses that can weather economic storms and consistently deliver value to shareholders. The long-term mindset. In a world where everyone seeks instant results, Buffett stands out as a champion of patience and long-term thinking. He believes in buying stocks with the intention of holding on to them indefinitely, allowing the power of compounding to work its magic over years and decades. This approach not only reduces the costs associated with frequent trading, but also maximizes returns by leveraging the exponential growth potential of quality investments. The margin of safety. Central to Buffett's strategy is the concept of a margin of safety, a financial cushion that shields investors from unexpected market downturns or business challenges. By purchasing stocks at prices significantly below their intrinsic value, Buffett ensures that even if the market temporarily undervalues a company, its long-term potential remains intact. This disciplined approach to risk management is key to Buffett's ability to navigate volatile markets with confidence and resilience. Leadership and integrity. Beyond financial metrics, Buffett places immense trust in the integrity and competence of a company's management team. He understands that capable leadership is essential for translating a business's potential into sustainable growth and profitability. Buffett's investment decisions are often guided by his confidence in management's ability to make wise decisions that benefit shareholders in the long run. Inspiration for investors. The Warren Buffett Way isn't just about financial strategies. It's a testament to the power of knowledge, discipline, and unrelenting curiosity. It challenges investors to rise above the noise of the market and focus on timeless principles that withstand the test of time. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, Buffett's wisdom offers a roadmap for navigating the complexities of investing with clarity and purpose. The importance of continuous learning. Buffett's success is not solely attributed to innate talent or luck. It's rooted in his relentless pursuit of knowledge. He is known for his voracious reading habits and commitment to learning from both successes and failures. Buffett believes that staying informed and adaptable is crucial in a dynamic market environment where industries and technologies evolve rapidly. Patience as a virtue. One of Buffett's most enduring principles is the value of patience. He famously remarked that his favorite holding period for an investment is forever. This patient approach allows investors to ride out short-term fluctuations and benefit from the long-term appreciation of quality investments. Contrarian thinking. Buffett has often advised investors to be fearful when others are greedy and greedy when others are fearful. This contrarian mindset encourages investors to avoid herd mentality and instead capitalize on opportunities that arise during periods of market pessimism. Philanthropy and giving back. Beyond his success in the investment world, Buffett is also renowned for his commitment to philanthropy. He has pledged to donate a substantial portion of his wealth to charitable causes. including the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. Buffett believes in using wealth to make a positive impact on society, emphasizing the importance of responsible stewardship and generosity. Staying humble and grounded. Despite his immense success, Buffett remains remarkably humble and down to earth. He lives modestly in the same Omaha house he purchased decades ago and has never been swayed by the trappings of wealth or fame. Buffett's humility serves as a reminder that true success is measured not only by financial achievements but also by personal integrity and humility. Legacy and passing on wisdom. As Buffett approaches the later stages of his career, he has increasingly focused on imparting his wisdom to future generations of investors. He regularly shares his insights through annual shareholder letters, interviews, and speeches, ensuring that his principles of investing continue to inspire and guide others long into the future. In conclusion, the Warren Buffett Way is more than just a guide to investing, it's a philosophy for life and business. It teaches us to approach investing with intelligence, discipline, and a long-term perspective. Buffett's journey is a testament to the power of patience, integrity, and continuous learning in achieving lasting success. By embracing these principles, investors can navigate the complexities of the financial markets with confidence and purpose, ultimately building wealth that endures and contributes positively to society.